bobs for women over 60. Number 1. Angled gray bob with asymmetrical bangs. For women seeking a unique style, an angled bob with asymmetric bangs is one of the distinctive bob hairstyles. The bangs are combined with a sharp bob, shorter at the back of the neck and longer on the sides. Number 2. Layered angled bob. There's just something about a layered angled bob that offers the ideal balance between sophistication and edginess. An angled choppy bob hairstyle can be worn straight and sleek, or beachy waves can be added for a tousled look. Number 3. Youthful angled bob for thinning hair. A youthful angled bob for thinning hair helps add shape and an appearance of fullness to fine hair. Properly placed graduation around the base of the occipital bone can help the back of the head appear more curved than flat. Number 4. Slightly angled bob with bangs. A slightly angled bob with bangs is a conservative take on the edgy angled bob haircut. Mature women look more youthful with straight bangs, and the gentle angle still allows for the haircut's beautiful and flattering shape. Number 5. Short and textured. A short and textured angled bob looks amazing on women over 60. The sharp angle forward adds extra length around the jawline, which slims the face, while the long, swoopy bang enhances the eyes. Number 6. Short angled bob haircut. A short angled bob haircut is a perfect choice for the chic grandma. There's nothing boring about this cut. It can be choppy and fun with subtle layers and texture to create a look that is as vibrant as you are. Short layered bob hairstyles for over 60 are ideal for oval face shapes. Round faces should try a slightly longer angled bob to elongate the face. Number 7. Gray angled bob with wispy bangs. For a woman in her 60s who has embraced her natural gray, an angled feathered bob is a great option for versatile style. This short bob with fringe for older ladies features a natural color to show so much dimension given from all over gray, something to be proud of, no doubt. Number 8. Angled bob with feathered bangs. Seniors with gray hair that have limited time to spend styling can focus on the front with feathered bangs. Angled bob haircuts for women over 60 are a fashionable choice for all face shapes and hair textures. Having a knowledgeable stylist is key to knowing the perfect angle for each individual. Feathered bangs are a great added bonus for a more youthful style. Number 9. Long angled bob hairstyle. When we reach our 60s, we can be torn between keeping our length or taking our hair very short. Current social standards are, luckily, embracing how you feel, not what your number is. A long angled bob on gray hair creates stunning medium-length hairstyles for women over 60. Number 10. Edgy angled lob. Looking for an edgier haircut to match your wild inner self? The blonde angled lob with thin bangs is something that pairs well with a lady who maybe went against the grain growing up and doesn't want to stop now. For an edgier style of bob hairstyles for over 60 with glasses, try adding extra texture with a waver, like a curling iron, or a beachy curl with a 1 1/4 curling iron. Number 11. Angled bob for curly hair. A curly-haired woman past her 60s should try an angled bob for curly hair. For this short inverted bob haircut, you should seek out a curly hair specialist in your area, as they know techniques that help create the proper shape for angled bob styles and enhance the pattern of your natural curls. Thanks for watching. Goodbye to meet with a new hairstyle.